What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and this is day 9 of the Tailgate Alaska Festival, and we're going to bring some new friends out, so let's get into it. Welcome to Truckhouse Life, baby. Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, the tail end of Tailgate. This is the final weekend coming up. Looks like the weather is moving in, so I don't know what's going to happen, but there are also some sucker holes kind of pointing through, so we're going to try to get up there today. Tyler and Rob just rolled in, so it'll be fun to get out with those guys, and all is well in the camper front. I've got some Vietnamese coffee going in my Yeti mug. One of my viewers, William, aka Chago, sent me this Truckhouse Life mugs. Pretty sweet. Yeti makes them, and I would never buy their stuff because it's really expensive, but this mug is freaking legit. It's awesome. Yeah, it keeps the coffee warm a super long time, actually. Been pretty impressed with it. And I'm not spilling stuff like I always do in my coffee cup, so that's cool. Anyway, we're gonna get the day started out here, so let's do it. Oh yeah, what's up, buddy? Morning.
Tie-dye and Rob in the house.
Let's go, dog.
Yeah.
Time to do some necking.
Got Steve back here. Yeah, we're gonna head to the Marshall. That's our plan. Weather is what you see. We'll just keep our eyes on it and roll. The sucker hole, it looks good over there. Yeah, boy. Let's get it while it's blue. I don't know how long it'll stay, but it's good right now.
Yeah, let's go. I think we're the only crew that's left today.
Yeah, it's Arctic Cat right there. Like the headlights are flickering, brake lights, and it was like if you hit the throttle and hold it there, it would die. So you had to blip it like all the way back. He was like 20 miles back there when it started. He just tomahawked the out of it and like some electronics in it.
How did he tomahawk it?
You know when you pull away from a group doing like the whiskey throttle rip away and you just tomahawked it like 50 feet from the group beside you?
Dude, that is a long pull. Good thing that it's not too powdery. The 600 would be stuck down here.
This is the best it's ever been, dude. Usually it's like kind of rocky, you know, and you like kind of have to stay in that line. It's like, it's all time easy right now. See those like the high looking spines in the background?
Yeah.
You can sled up on top of that big bench and drop like the mellow spines or the big ones, whatever you want to do.
Oh.
So we can hit that first, and if that sucks, we'll drop in deserted. Hopefully no one's hit it.
I'm ready to ski the best line of my life.
It's up there. This is crazy. I can't believe it's just blue back here. That way we went up before, there's a super sweet way to drop down in this awesome skate park, but it wasn't in this year. I was hoping we could do it. Right? Catch the view. Alright, you good? Feels way different than mine. Here go the boys, about to get Cindy. This is it's not that bad a double actually, just it's a little bit surfy sometimes. Like how we're all on 155 tracks, so. And Steve's got his limiter strap set to like wheelie all the time. Well, there's a big cornice where he's going. Here he goes. Oh! Oh man! Rob's up there climbing that shady flank up there. He's gonna go get himself a little bit of shade. We're down here in the glacier. Or at least I am. They're dropping down right now. The Rob coming on down in. Get a quick little ghosty in since we're up here. Unfortunately, my sled's throwing a check engine code. The engine temperature sensor is messed up. I don't know, it freaking only has 500 miles on it. And it's causing my sled to start to just kind of miss a little bit, so which means it's fouling the spark plug. So I'm gonna take it easy. We might want to send our sleds one at a time just in case, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Figure might as well. All the way up here. Sometimes you can ghost like way off to the right of the big glacier face and then hit it over there, but you'll make it back easy. But
I'll make it back. I just
woo, it snows good. Woo, yeah. Oh, woo. Super good. Nice.
Hey Tim, is that you down? Got a copy on?
Yeah, man, give me a couple of minutes. I'll get the drone on you boys and some eyes on you.
Sounds good. Can you see us from where you're at? We're looking right at you.
Yeah, I can see you perfect. It was supposed to be a 90% chance of snow today, and it is freaking, I mean, come on now. Another blue day in the pass. That's right. We just got done doing some ghost laps up that. You guys got a pretty nice lining up there.
Yeah, we did.
Looks pretty good. Well, we're gonna start the climb back up this big hill up here. Have to get into it. Ready? Yeah. We're heading back home. We're climbing back up towards the tailgate overlook, basically, where we can see the highway and tailgate. Taking the old downhill. We're dropping back down. The tailgate parking lot is kind of right down there where we're heading. Go home and cook some dinner. And there's a big party tonight, I guess. Yeah, solid day, man. Boom.
Man, that was a good day.
I can't believe 90% chance of snow. It's crazy.
They got that wrong.
Oh, Jams, nice day, boys.
That was the best day of my life, dude.
Nice day, man. Get in. All right, pretty satisfied right now. Now we're gonna party our faces off. We're back at tailgate. Epic day, as you guys saw. Anyhow, that's a wrap. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button down there. Subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of filming and stuff. We'll see you in the next one. Peace, y'all.